Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through process assessment. So in some times they will be calling it a software process assessment or directly process assessment. So both are the same things. Okay, so basically this is nothing but you are assessing the process. That is nothing but you are assessing the software, the quality of the software and everything you'll be checking here guys. Okay. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so basically whenever you apply a process pattern, so we discussed about process patterns right in the last lecture. So process pattern is nothing but when there is a bug or when there is an issue with your code, you will be observing the previous patterns of issues and you'll be resolving your current pattern or your current issue, right? Yes. So basically when you are using the previous patterns, so basically those solutions might be outdated also, right? So they could raise multiple problems with your current code, right? So there is a high chance for that. So how you can identify or how you can assess your current process status with the previous? So what will be the solution guys? You'll be checking the assessment for the current solution. This is after modifying your issue and this is previous before the issue. So based on these two, if both are equal or the latest one is higher, you'll be assuming that okay, the issue has been resolved and it is an advantage. Or if your process has been degraded down, then you will be saying that no, we need to search for some other solution, and you'll be coming back and you'll be searching for some other solution and you'll be moving up again like that. Okay, so now let us go through process assessment. So whenever we apply the process pattern to an ongoing software engineering project, it doesn't mean the software is going safely. So that's what I'm saying. There is a chance of degradation also. So going in a backward or a disadvantageous stage. So all the assessment like time delivery, customer satisfaction, high quality, etc., which are essential in a successful project. So these are mandatory guys, you can say, like satisfaction, delivery time, and high quality and low budget. Okay, so hence in order to achieve this, is a software pattern should be collaborated with highly valued software engineering practices. The entire process should be sufficiently accessed as a requirement. Okay, so basically to achieve that, we are following some basic patterns or some basic steps guys, you can say, or some basic laws that are designed by some higher authorities. Okay, so basically whenever you updated some processes, you will be checking the software process here. That is nothing but software process assessment guys. Okay, so once a software process changes are done, it is examined guys, and then you will be doing the software process assessment. So once examination is done, you'll be getting the software process assessment. So based on that, you will be checking the capability detection and you will be checking the software process improvement. So how you can improve it. So based on these two things, you will be continuously identifying the modifications and you will be doing those modifications and you will be again ending up at again the process. Again you will be checking this. So this is a cyclic process by which you can say that our process is in a profit state. Like it is going according to the plan and it has no issues yet in that way, right? And this is nothing but capability determination is nothing but it comes under risk guys. So basically whenever you change or when you use the previous steps, there is a high chance that it could lead to a drawback or it could lead to some risk like the cost and time basically. Okay, so you will be taking care about them also. Okay, so the standard process is nothing but CMMI guys. The standard CMMI assessment method for process improvement. So we discussed about the maturity model, right? So based on that model only we are having this guys. So this is nothing but SCAMP. So it includes 5 steps that are nothing but initiating, diagnosing, establishing, acting and learning. Guys, I'll be just giving you some one line statement so that you'll be having a clear idea. So initiating is nothing but getting the requirements guys. So basically these are the 5 basic steps which every process model works. Okay, so initiating is nothing but you will be gathering the requirements and you will be checking what are the issues and bugs. So then you will be diagnosing it. So you will be doing in-depth diagnosis here. Then you will be establishing them. So you will be writing an agenda. I need to do this, I need to do this, I need to do this. Then you will be acting on it. So you will be doing the things and you will be learning on the result. So basically the previous result and the current result you will check. Which is best, you will be selecting that, or which is best for your future, you will be selecting that, right? Yes. So the next is a CMM based appraise for internal process improvement. So this also comes under maturity only guys. So it provides a diagnostic technique for assessment related on the maturity. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? Maturity of the software organization. So it is also used for checking the maturity. So the next type is a SPICE, SPICE. So the SPICE is nothing but standard guys. It is ISO standard Okay, and IEC 15504, it is defined as a set of requirements for software process assessment. So these are some kind of requirements, guys. Okay, similarly ISO 9001 to 2000. So any software industry, by adopting the ISO 9001 to 2000 standards, can reach the quality peaks in terms of its product, system, plan, what to do and check, and everything. It will be going through its system the highest peaks, guys. So basically every most of the project companies which we hear daily will be using these kind of standards, guys. ISO 9001 to 2000. Okay, so they follow, like they do plan, they do them, they check and they acknowledgement. Again they do plan, they plan, they do it, they check it, acknowledge, plan, do, check and acknowledge. So this is the cycle that they follow. Like that is what it is informed in ISO 9001 to 2000. Okay, so I hope everyone got some basic idea about process assessment, like software process assessment. So in the next lecture, we will be starting one of our most important topic, that is software development life cycle. Guys, please do not miss the next lecture, guys, because on the basis of next lecture only, we will be almost having 10 lectures repeating the same concept with the different process models. So basically all process models follow the same method only, but the process in which they process them is different. So one will be saying that we will be taking the requirements first and they will be analyzing them. Some will be saying that we will be taking requirements and analyze them in the single step only, like that. So depending on the requirements, these models has come into play, guys. Okay, so in the next lecture we will be going through software development life cycle, and after that we will be moving on to the process management cycles or processes models, you can say. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.